What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today is early in the morning. I'm just looking back to make sure there's nobody behind me. I just want to go ahead and record this real quick, and I am heading to work. I'm in my F-150 2008 with 320,000 miles, and the transmission does kick. Now I'm about to change it, and I just wanted to see if it does any different. So I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all me going like 0 to 40 real quick, and so y'all can see how it kicks really bad. Let me go ahead and show y'all. Okay, so 320,000 miles. Look at this. I'm gonna step on it. I don't know if y'all could hear that, but like the RPM still keep going up. It doesn't switch gear. All right, like I said earlier when I was showing y'all the truck going like 0 to 40, I don't know if y'all noticed the RPMs were going up, but it was not shifting. And this truck does have over 300,000 miles, and I just wanted to show y'all how bad literally this is. It's not even red no more. It's black now, so look at that. So there is quite some metal shavings. Look at that. Look at that, guys. There's like an inch of shavings in there. Look at that. I'm gonna move this thing. Okay, let me go ahead and clean this and clean that. Just want to show you one more time. Look at that, it's all gray, all black. Well, let me go ahead and clean it and I'll get back with y'all. So look how I'm doing it, guys. Since I'm no mechanic, I really don't have no transmission cup, whatever these things are called. So look, I put a paint gun, a paint cup, then a regular cup, then the transmission fluid, just like that. Oh, too much, too fast. Look at this, I'm gonna step on it. Was getting stuck on third after accelerating. Y'all see how it shifted on fourth? It did not get stuck. Shifting right there. So yeah. So whoever says don't change the transmission fluid, that's all a lie. That supposedly the transmission will break after you switch it or whatever. I don't know if you hear that a lot. I mean, I'm not a mechanic, but I hear that a lot around the people I be around with. And but basically what I'm trying to say is please do your oil change if it looks black, because that's how mine did. My truck has over 300,000 miles. So yeah, it's literally shifting really good now. So I highly recommend it. Stay tuned for more videos. Peace.